नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं वाचं ततो जयमुदीरयेत् जितं ते पुण्डरीकाक्ष नमस्ते विश्वभावना नमस्तेऽस्तु हृषीकेश महापुरुषपूर्वज सदक्षरं ब्रह्म य ईश्वरः पुमान् गुणोर्मे सृष्टिस्थितिकालसल्लयः प्रधानबुद्ध्यादिजगत्प्रपञ्चसूः सनोऽस्तु विष्णुर्मतिभूतिमुक्तिदः पानीयमप्यत्र तिलैर्विमिश्रं दद्यात् पितृभ्यः प्रयतो मनुष्यः श्राद्धं कृतं तेन सहस्रं रहस्यमेतत् पितरो वदन्ति माघेसिते पञ्चदशी कदाचिदुपैति योगं यदि वारुणेन ऋक्षेण कालः सपरः पितॄणां न ह्यल्पपुण्यैः नृप लभ्यते असौ काले धनिष्ठा यदि नाम तस्मिन् भवेत्तु भूपाल तदा पितृभ्यः दत्तं जलान्नं प्रददाति तृप्तिं वर्षायुतं तत्कुलजैः मनुष्यैः तत्रैव चेत् भाद्रपदानुपूर्वा काले यथावत् क्रियते पितृभ्यः श्राद्धं परां तृप्तिमुपैति तेन युगं सहस्रं पितरः स्वपन्ति. So this is we are in the middle of the Pitru Geetam, where the Pitru Devatas, ancestors, are talking about what will give them satisfaction. And Sanat Kumara has said this. So we started from the 12th shloka and it continues till almost the end of this adhyaya. It goes, this Pitru Gita is said actually until the end of this solala. Correct. Until the end of this adhyaya, 31st varikku. Okay. So paniyam atra tilaihi vimishram dadyat. For a man has to, with the devotion, he has to give tilam, sesame seeds and water on the, if he does shraddham, then for 1,000 years Pitras can live happily. They are satisfied for 1,000 years. And there are particular dates and particular nakshatra conjunction that they are talking about, which is Magha Masa, Panchadashi, the Amavasya. If someone does, then it even a person with only a person with a lot of punyam, nahi alpa punyaihi labhyate. This sort of a conjunction time, that connection with both Varuna Nakshatram, Anuradha Nakshatram and Magha Amavasya will not come for people who are who have done very less punyam. So in general what they are saying is there are certain tithis which have been which are considered as good for Daivika Karyam, good for Paitrika Karyam. So we can do puja and our rituals and actions, everything normally, yes, but sometimes when that punya kalam comes, there will be some karma vishesha which comes and interrupts our actions on that day. The prayer is that none of these things come as an obstacle for us, so that we can continue doing it and derive punyam from that. Okay, and of course the main goal is to satisfy the Pitras also. Gangam, he further continues in that, Gangam Shatadrum Yamunam Vipasham Saraswatim Naimisha Gomatim Va Tatra Avagahya Archanam Adarena Kritva Pitrunam Duritani Hanti. Tatra Avagahya. So we Gangam, Shatadrum, Yamuna, these are all rivers that he is talking about, which is Ganga, Shatadru. Shatadru வந்து இந்த சட்லஜ்னு நினைக்கிறேன், தெரியல. யமுனா, விபாஷா, சரஸ்வதி, நைமிஷ கோமதி, நைமிஷாரண்யே கோமதி ரிவர். தத்ர அவகாஹ்ய அர்ச்சனாம் ஆதரேண கிருத்வா. That is Gangam avagahya, Shatadrum avagahya. You can connect each one with the avagahya here. Having taken a bath or a dip inside these rivers, Archanam adarena kritva, Pitrunam archanam adarena kritva, having offered archana, worship towards the Pitras, ancestors, with the great devotion, adara, with a gavanam, attention, paying attention to details, and with your concentration in the action that you are performing, not thinking about anything else. If you perform that Pitrikaryam, then Duritani Hanti, Papani Hanti. It is capable of destroying the sins that he has accumulated. Gayanti cha etat pitaraha कदानु वर्षामघा तृप्तिम् अवाप्य भूयः माघ असितान्ते शुभतीर्थ तोयैः यास्याम तृप्तिं तनयादि दत्तैः पितरः च एतत् गायन्ति. The Pitras, ancestors, again talk about gayanti itukte prashamsante. They praise this they praise in this manner, or they speak in this manner. Inge irundhu it is open quotes here. Kadanu, when would the karta tanayadi dattaihi toyaihi शुभतीर्थ तोयैः वर्षामघा तृप्तिम् अवाप्य भूयः माघ असितान्ते triptim yasyamaha. So the karta has to perform on every amavasya for 12 months. Varsha amagha triptim. For 12 months in a year he performs during the ama ityukte amavasya. Amavasyayam triptim avapya, having attained a satisfaction for an entire year, where for every month the karta performs a tarpanam. Bhuyaha, again Magha asitante, at the end of Krishna Paksha in Magha Masam, Shubhatirtha toyaihi tanayadi dattaihi triptim yasyamaha. When will we attain the same satisfaction at the end of the Krishna Paksham in Magha Masa? By the waters that have been given by our santati. Tanayadi dattaihi. Tanayaha athava pautraha dauhitraha ityadi. So when will we get this kind of a satisfaction? So in other words, the karta has to perform for 12 months in a year, and then at the end of it he should also offer on the end of Krishna Paksha Magha Masa. Okay. चित्तं च वित्तं च नृणां विशुद्धं शस्तः कालः कथितः विधिश्च पात्रं यथोक्तं परमा च भक्तिः नृणां प्रयच्छन्ति अभिवाञ्छितानि. When a person performs all of these actions in the manner in which it has been said, yatha kathitaha yatha vidhihi yathoktam. So yathoktam patram paramacha bhaktihi nrinam prayachanti abhivanchitani. If a person offers these things in a proper manner, then the Pitras will give him chittam. The ancestors will give him a good heart, chittam. Vittam, they will also provide wealth. Nrinam chittam vittam vishuddham chittam vishuddham vittam cha. The Pitras will give as a boon. They will give a good heart to that person. At the same time, they will also give pure wealth to him. Not wealth which is accumulated by dishonest means, but more the wealth that is obtained by honest means. So vishuddham vittam vishuddham chittam cha. Shastaha kalaha, shastaha prashastaha kalaha, good times for him. Every season will be beneficial for him. And then kathitaha vidhihi, the perfect, he also is able to perform all of the rites in the manner in which it has been said in the Shastras. So for us to perform that, we need a kind of anugraham, we need a kind of blessing even to perform certain rituals in the manner in which it has been said. There can be so many upadravas, there can be so many obstacles, vighna, for us not to perform. To avoid all that, we need to do our pitrakaryam properly, so that our other rites all can be performed in the proper manner as has been said. So kathitaha vidhihi yathoktam patram paramacha bhaktihi. Yathoktam patram, the worthiness of receiving all of these things, and paramacha bhaktihi, and a great devotion also, and nrinam vanchitani cha prayachanti. They also provide whatever the people desire, whatever the person karta or his santati desire. Everything is being provided being given as a boon by the ancestors. No, they say the antima karyalernd ஆரம்பிச்சு the samskaras and the shraddha karyam is much more important because the results are huge in the sense that it goes through towards the santati also. The first thing, if someone is sick or something, they will immediately say pitrakaryam has not been done properly or kuladevata. These are the two things that they will usually point out when we go and ask why this is happening. पितृगीतान् तथैवात्र श्लोकान् तान् शृणु पार्थिव श्रुत्वा तथैव भवता भाव्यं तत्र आदृतात्मना. So until this only. Okay. So till 20th are the shlokas that have been that are called as Pitragita. So Pitragitan tathaiva atra shlokan Pitragitan shlokan Tan Shrunu he Parthiva. Now we go back to Aurva and Sagara's conversation. So he Parthiva, O king, listen to the verses that are named as Pitragita. And when you listen to that, Shrutva Tathaiva, if you listen to that, after listening to it, Bhavata Bhavyam Adrita Atmana Bhavata Bhavyam. You must also listen to it with a विश्वास भाव आदृत भाव आदर भाव नाम न केवलं तत्र बहुमानं वर्तते इति न तत्र तथापि विश्वासः अपि भवितव्यः इत्येव तादृश मनोभावनया सर्वं कर्तव्यं. So listen to the words and you have to behave, you have to be in that manner with a devout mind. Adrita atmana bhavata bhavyam. Api dhanyah kule jayat asmakam matiman naraha akurvan vittashatyam yaha pindannaha nirvapishyati. So this middle shloka alone is Aurva and Sagara. This again goes back to Pitragitam. Api dhanyah kule jayat asmakam kule धन्यः कश्चन मतिमान् नरः यः वित्तशाठ्यम् अकुर्वन् पिण्डान्नः निर्वपिष्यति. Would there be a person api kaschit naraha, there should be a man who is intelligent, matiman, asmakam kule jayat, would he be born in our family, who is intelligent and at the same time who is also fortunate, who has punyaphalan with him, so much of punyaphalan that he can perform the pitrakaryas. Vitta shathyam akurvan, shathyam nama kanjattano, miserliness. பணத்தை வச்சுட்டு நம்ம வந்து குறைச்சி பண்ணுங்கோ உங்கள் பட்ஜெட்டை குறைங்கோ அப்படின்னு சொல்லாமல் இருக்கிறவான்னு அர்த்தம் அந்த இடத்துல இல்லையா. வித்த சாட்டியம்னா ஒன் ஹூ டஸ் நாட் அகுர்வன், ஒன் ஹூ டஸ் நாட் grudgingly give money. அதாவது why should I give money for all of these things அப்படின்னு you should not think about it in that manner. ததா சஹ கர்த்தா யஹ பிண்டான்னஹ நிர்வபிஷ்யதி. The one who gives pinda annam for us, pindannaha bhutva saha yaha nirvapishyati, one who satisfy the pitris, tadrishaha jayat, would such a person be born in our kulam, that he will perform the things properly without holding on tight to money. Ratnam vastram mahayanam sarva bhogadikam vasu vibhave sati viprebhyaha yaha asman uddishya dasyati. See, இது வந்து pitras are not asking anyayena na prichanti. Atratu, if you read the following shlokas, it's very clearly stated that it is only according to your status that you need to do. If you do not have anything, also there are ways to satisfy your ancestors. So ratnam vastram, ratnam gems, vastram clothes, mahayanam a great vehicle, sarva bhogadikam vasu, all kinds of wealth which provide sarva bhoga, every kind of enjoyment. Vibhave sati, if you have that kind of wealth. Viprebhyaha yaha asmana uddishya dasyati. So the one who gives to the brahmanas, viprebhyaha dasyati, one who will give to the brahmana, asman uddishya, directed towards the ancestors. If he is wealthy, he should give to the brahmanas in our name, in the pitra's name. If he is wealthy, he gives jewels, clothes, etc., etc. Okay. And then annena va yatha shaktya kale asmin bhakti namradhihi bhojayishyati vipra agryan tanmatra vibhavaha naraha. Tanmatra vibhavaha naraha. If he doesn't have all of these wealth and everything, vibhave sati ityuktam purvasmin shloke. Tari, if he has wealth, dhanikas chet saha, tari evam kuryat. Doesn't matter. Tanmatra vibhavaha iti chet, if he can provide only food for other people. மூட்டை மூட்டையாக அரிசி இருக்குது, காசு இல்லை இல்லையா? ஸோ யூ ஹாவ் சாக்ஸ் ஆஃப் ரைஸ், யூ கேன் யூஸ் தட் ரைஸ் டு ப்ரொவைட் அன்னம் ஃபார் த பிராமணாஸ். அன்னேன வா யதா சக்தியா, அக்கார்டிங் டு ஒன்ஸ் கேப்பபிலிட்டிஸ், வித் ஃபுட், வித் அன்னம். காலே அஸ்மின் பக்தி நம்ரதீஹி, அஸ்மின் காலே ஸ்ராத்த காலே பக்த நம்ரதீஹி பூத்வா, வித் அ டிவோஷன் அண்ட் with a mind that is namra, which is humble with devotion, he should with faith and humility, he should entertain or give them food, provide them food. Bhojayishyati vipra agriyana, good brahmanas, if he has only that amount of wealth. Tanmatra vibhavaha naraha, if he can only provide food, then he calls the brahmanas at the proper time and provides them with food. Asamarthaha annadanasya, there is nobody to cook, or he doesn't know how to cook, or he doesn't have the money. He may have rice, but he doesn't have the money to buy the veragata, whatever, gas kadayadu. With skyrocketing prices, probably we don't know whether we can buy gas or not. Then what should he do? Asamarthaha annadanasya dhanyam amam swashaktitaha pradasyati dvija agrebhyaha swalpalpam vapi dakshinam. Dvija agrebhyaha asamarthaha chet, annadanasya asamarthaha chet, if he is incapable of providing food, cooked food, then according to his ability, swashaktitaha dhanyam amam swalpalpam vapi dakshinam dvija agrebhyaha pradasyati, then he can give, or pradasyati iti chet, he must give. Dadyat iti either lot lakara or vidhiling lakara for lit. So he must give to them dhanyam, which is amam. Amam ityukte apakvam, that which is not cooked. So the arsi vazhikangro, so annala you just give grains of rice which is not cooked, or swalpalpam vapi dakshinam, whatever is the most little bit of amount that you can give, you give. The 1 ரூபா காயின் வச்சு கொடுப்பா, alpalpam dakshinam vapi, at least you have to give something to the dvija agrebhyaha, to the brahmanas who are the foremost among the brahmanas. This asamarthaha should be taken there into consideration. If you are incapable of providing cooked food, then you do this way. Tatrapi asamarthyayutaha karagragrasthitan stilan pranamya dvijamukhyaaya kasmaichit bhupadasyati. Atra tu dvija agrebhyaha vipra agryan iti bahuvachanam uktva, atra ekavachane he addresses, seri uru brahmanam porum, dvija mukhyaya, at least one brahmana who is an important brahmana, tam pranamya, you bow down to him, kasmaichit dvija mukhyaya, he bhupa sagara, tatra api asamarthyayutaha, tatrapi asamarthyayutaha iti chet, tatra dhanyam alpa dakshinam va datum saha asamartaschet. If he is incapable of giving even grains, uncooked grains, or a little bit of dakshina, then kara agrasthitana, kai naraya tilam illa, it's not a handful of tilam, but just 4 or 5 grains which can just be at the corner of the fingers. So kara agragrasthitana, in the most corner of your palms, abdingarar, tips of your fingers, which are holding on to the tips of the fingers. Tadrisha tilana sesame seeds dasyati, let him give it to the one brahmana. Tilaihi sapta ashtabihi vapi sametam jala anjalim bhakti namraha samudhishya bhuvi asmakam pradasyati. If he is unable to find a brahmana, he takes the seeds and he pours it in the ground with water. Sapta Ashtabihi, even with 7 or 8 tila seeds, with sesame seeds, sametam, Jala Anjalim, he takes water and gives it in the form of an Anjali towards the Bhumi. Asmakam Uddishya Bhuvi Pradasyati, Bhakti Namrasanna. With a great devotion, he bows down and says, "This is for you, and take it." अस्माकम् उद्दिश्य इति चेत् पितॄन् उद्दिश्य सः प्रदास्यति, he should give this तिलाञ्जलि. यतः कुतश्चित् सम्प्राप्य गोभ्यः वापि गवान्निकम् अभावे प्रीणयन् अस्मान् श्रद्धायुक्तः प्रदास्यति. यतः कुतश्चित् सम्प्राप्य, at least, otherwise, he doesn't have the means to get tila sesame seeds. Then he can just roam around and gather a bunch of grass, which provides for food for a cow for 1 day. One cow for 1 day. So gobhyaha samprapya yatah kutaschit, from somewhere or the other, gavannikam samprapya. Gava annikam ityukte go annikam. Gavam annikam. The food that is for 1 cow for 1 day. He collects all that and gobhyaha vapi pradasyati. Shraddha yuktaha bhutva gobhyah pradasyati. He should give it to cows with a faith. And that will give us satisfaction. Prinayan abhave asman prinayan. Abhave ityukte tila abhave. If that also is not possible for him, then he may collect from wherever he wants and satisfying us. That is saying tripyata abdinu solli, you give it to a cow by collecting it from somewhere. Idella vandu you don't buy the grass and give it. Instead, you go around collecting it. Inga vidva irko, nobody owns that. You go to the forest and collect the grass and come and provide it to the cows. That will give satisfaction to the pitras. Sarva abhave. Now you don't have any means of even collecting grass. You are at some desert, let's say. There is no means of doing anything of that sort. You go to the forest, vanam gatva, or you are unable to carry the weight of that grass and go to a cow and give it, or there are things like, you may be such a papishta mahapataki that you are banished from the city gramam. You are not allowed to go near a cow shed, whatever. There may be n number of reasons for a person to not be able to do these things. So sarva abhave, when none of the above is possible, the last option, which does not depend on anything at all except for the self. Vanam gatva kakshamula pradarshakaha Suryadi lokapalanam idam uchchaihi vadishyati. Kakshamula pradarshakaha, putting his hands up and showing his everything. அதாவது தலைமேல கையை தூக்கிறதுங்கிறது, you are saying that you don't have anything. சொல்லுவா இல்லையா, there is a story that Draupadi was holding on to her vastram. Until then Krishna did not come and protect her. It was only when she did not even think about that and then lifted both her hands up, that is when Krishna decided to protect her honor. Which is, you are saying, even at that point you still feel you can control and you have things under your control somehow. Only when you think that you do not have anything under your control, you have nothing to yourself, you have completely surrendered, that is when you lift your hands above your head and say, you show your armpits in artho. Kaksha moolammangaradu, the corner of the armpits, adu kamchind, you show it up. In the sense, kakshamula pradarshakaha vanam gatva suryadi lokapalanam idam vadishyati. You say this looking at the lokapalas in the world. Suryadi lokapalanam uddishya idam uchchaihi vadishyati. You have to openly say. Complete prapattimba idila. adamani name asti vittam na dhanam na cha anyat shraddhopayogyam swapitrun nataha asmi triptyantu bhaktya pitaraha maya etau kritau bhujau vartmani marutasya. Marutasya Vartmani Maya Etau Bhujau Kritau. My hands have been lifted up lifted up in the pathway of the wind. Marutasya Marutasya Vartmani. Vartmani in the air, the margam. Vayoho marge mama bhujau kritau. So, and you have to say, na me asti vittam. I don't have any vittam, money. Dhanam. Dhanam here is any kind of wealth, property. So, neither do I have money nor do I have any kind of wealth. Na anyat, nothing else to my name, which is Shraddha Upayogyam. Nothing else to my name which is fit for Shraddha, which is fit to be offered for the ancestors. Swapitrun nataha asme. I am bowing down to my ancestors. Tripyantu bhaktya pitaraha. He pitaraha athava pitaraha bhaktya tripyantu. May the ancestors be satisfied with this. I throw my hands towards the margam of Vayu. Aurva uvacha. Ityetat pitrubhihi geetam bhava prayojanam yah karoti kritam tena shraddham bhavati parthiva. He parthiva sagara. Iti etat pitrubhihi geetam. This is the words of the Pitras themselves. So one who does yaha karoti shraddham tena kritam bhavati. Bhava prayojanam shraddham kritam bhavati. With means that he can, with whatever he has, or even if he does not possess anything, if he fulfills the desires of the ancestors and performs tena kritam eva shraddham bhavati. Only by those people who have something, or even if he doesn't have something, he does something to please the Pitras. Tena karmana eva shraddham kritam bhavati. Only then will it be termed as shraddham. So shraddha is more important in this shraddham. Iti Sri Vishnu Purane Tritiyamshe Chaturdashodhyayah. So with this the 14th chapter is over. In the 15th chapter, Shraddha Bhoji Vipra Lakshanadi Kathanam Yogi Prashamsa. So who is a Brahmana who is fit to come and sit and eat Shraddha Bhojanam Kartum Kasya Samarthyam Vartate Yogyata Vartate iti. Aurva Uvacha Brahmanan Bhojayet Shraddhe Yadgunan Stan Nibodhame. Brahmanana Bhojayet, one should provide food for the Brahmanas in a Shraddha. Yadgunana Yasya Gunan Tan Nibodhaya. Yes, Yadgunana Brahmanana Bhojayet Shraddhe. In a Shraddha, what kind of Brahmanas, with what type of qualities the Brahmanas should be for them to eat during a Shraddha. Tan Nibodha, listen to that. Trinachiketaha, Trimadhuhu, Trisuparnaha, Shadangavit, Vedavit, Shrotriyaha, Yogi, Tathavai, Jyeshtha, Samagaha. Trinachiketaha, Trimadhuhu, Trisuparnaha. These are all part of the Vedas, certain Anuvakas of the Vedas. That is 3 Anuvakas in Rigvedam, 3 Anuvakas in Yajurvedam. That is all. So, Nachiketaha and Suparna, these two belong to Yajurveda. So, Trinachiketaha, Trisuparnaha, Yajurveda, Ekadeshau. There are 3 Anuvakas in the Nachiketa, which are termed as Nachiketa section. Adula 3 Anuvakam. Adu Dvitiya Kathakamba. Some people say it is from Rigveda and not Yajurvedam. So, there are difference of opinion with respect to what is this Trinachiketa, Trimadhu and Trisuparna. But one thing is for sure, these 3 are only from Rigveda and Yajurveda. Which one is from which? There are different contentions there. Tadvatena tad adhyayino. So Brahmanas who have done adhyayanam of at least 3 anuvakas in these two sections of Yajurvedam. Trimadhuhu is Rigveda Ekadeshaha, is 3 anuvakas in Rigveda. And tad adhyayi, a person who has done adhyayanam of those 3 anuvakas at least. Then Shadangavit, idella either or. This is not a Brahmana who has to have had all of these done. Either or. Shadangavit, one who knows all 6 angas, Vedangas. Vedangas, Shiksha, Vyakaranam, Chandas, Kalpam, Jyotisham, Niruktam. Niruktam. So, Shadangavit, he has to know all 6 angas. Vedavit, one who understands Vedas, Bhashyakaraha, Bhashyam Janati iti. Shrotriyaha, a Brahmana who knows the Vedas, who has done these Adhyayanas, or he should have studied the Shadangas, who understands just Vedas. Shrotriyaha ityukte, one who is a Brahmana who performs the duties. He doesn't know Veda Adhyanam nakritam tena, he doesn't know the Angas, nor does he know the meaning of Veda, that is, he doesn't know the language that is there. He just performs the actions. He is a Shrotriyaha. Yogi is a ascetic, one who performs tapas and vratam. He performs the rituals also, but whenever he comes out of tapas, he does that. Tadrashaha yogi. Jyeshtha samagaha. Samaganam yaha karoti tatra jyeshthaha. The principal person who does samaganam. These idella the qualities of a Brahmana who can be called for a Shraddha Bhojanam. Ritvik is a one who is a Purohita. One who comes and officiates in the rituals. Swasreya, the son of a sister's son. Dauhitraha, Duhituhu Putraha. Jamata, Mapla, son-in-law. Dauhitraha is a daughter's son. Shvashuraha, father-in-law. Matulaha, uncle. Taponishtaha, someone who is performing tapas, that is a Brahmana who does Panchagni tapas. Panchagni abhirataha taponishtaha, or a person who does tapas separately. Illenna Panchagni tapasi abhirataha, one who is involved in doing Panchagni tapas. Panchagni tapasna 4 agni, one in front, one in the side, one in the right hand side, and then one behind. The 5th agni is Surya. In the Panchagni tapasna Parvati does in 5th chapter in Kumara Sambhavathula paakarache Shiva Puranathliyum irukku. The during Grishma Kala, when the sun is at its peak, the heat is Tivratamam tatra. At that time she does Panchagni tapas. So 4 fires are blazing on all 4 sides, and there is sun right in front of her also, blazing. So that is Panchagni tapas. Shishyaha, Sambandhinaha, disciples, Sambandhi, relatives, and Mata Pitra Rataha. Rataha, one who is very showing respect towards his mother and father. Etan niyojayet shraddhe Purvoktan Prathame Nripa. He Nripa, Etana Shraddhe Niyojayet. These people can be considered for a Shraddha. Purvoktan Prathame are Trinachiketas, Trimadhus, Suparnaha. These are the people who have to be considered first. Prathame Brahmanane, Purvoktane, Pitra Tushtyartham Anukalpeshu Anantarane. So, the first kind of Brahmanas that have been specified should be appointed for the Mukhya Pitra Tushtyartham Prathame Pitra Tushtyartham Niyojayet. In the first section of the we saw in the earlier Adhyaya about Purvakriyaha, Madhyakriyaha and Uttarakriyaha. The Purvakriyaha are much more important than Madhyakriyaha, which are more important than the Uttarakriyaha, right? According to the importance. So in the Prathame, in the Purvakriya, we have to appoint good Brahmanas, and then Anukalpeshu, Anantaran, the rest can be given an opportunity for the Madhyama or the Uttarakriyaha. From the 5th shloka, he talks about who all should not be appointed. as a brahmana for Shraddham. Mitra Dhruk कुनखी क्लीबः श्यावदन्तः तथा द्विजः कन्या दूषितः वह्नि वेद उज्जः सोमविक्रयी. मित्रद्रुक् one who द्रोहं करोति इल्लिया द्रुक्कंगर्चे one who betrays a friend. कुनखी one who has ugly nails. श्यावदन्तः श्यामदन्तः अंग्र one who has dark teeth. கன்யா தூஷயிதா. இது வந்து கன்யா தூஷயிதாங்கிறச்சு ஒன் ஹூ நெக்லெக்ட்ஸ் உமன், ஒன் ஹூ இல்ட்ரீட்ஸ் கன்யா, இல்லைன்னா கன்யா தோஷம் இருக்கிறவாம்பா. தட் இஸ் ஒன் ஹூ ஹேஸ் அன் ரிலேஷன்ஷிப் வித் யங் கேர்ள், அதுவும் உண்டு. So it depends on the interpretation here. Vanhi Veda Ujjaha. Ujjaha, one who does not even care about Vanhi, fire, or Vedam. One who does not perform the tasks according to the Vedas. That is, he is not an adhikari there to perform anything. Or Agnihotram na karoti, Vedadhyanam na karoti, tatha. So Agni Veda Ujjaha, Vanni Veda Ujjaha, Soma Vikrai, one who sells Somalata. Somalata, which is used for the sacrifice yagas, if he sells it instead of just giving it, then that Brahmana should be, in fact, one who sells becomes a Vaishya. It is a business for him. So if he is a Brahmana who sells this, then you should not ask him to come for Shraddha Bhojana. So we'll continue next class. Narayanam Namaskritya Naranchaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vacham Tato Jayamudirayet.